Prepare to attack, it said.
Okay. Pharmacy.
Like you run in with a Lucio, or do you go
Yeah,
for something else?
Lucia is good. And then I'd say, do we do a double dive?
Craig and I too. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It worked before.
Pharmacy, and then Chris Reaper.
We'll jump on whatever's on the high ground.
So we go straight. We don't faff around with Lost Vikings. We're going straight.
Chris Reaper.
Or Zarya. If you want to do your half goats thing. Whatever you're going to be most comfortable on. Yeah.
Either way, we're running at them.
Are we gonna
Yeah, but
call
give me-
targets like weak? You guys gonna dive?
Well, I'm going to see if I can get angles. If I can get angles on anyone,
We don't
I'm
normally
nailing
call
that thing.
targets, but okay.
You guys should.
I was just gonna say, call it a hunch. This might be the problem in our game plan.
Okay, I'm going to see if I can boop down first. They're up top. I'm going to see if I can boop them down first, right?
What's the dynamite there?
Oh shit.
Ready?
Ready?
Going up. Booped.
Okay, who fell?
Everyone.
Line.
I need heals. Taking.
That's
Oh, the damage. I ran away.
Hanzo is a problem.
Where's this? Holy shit.
Oh
Ash,
shit,
Got another
sorry.
sniper at the
Ash is
top left.
top.
There's an Ash there.
Spot.
Oh, I'm burning.
Me too.
Has the Ash been taken care of?
No.
Oh god damn it, she got
Nope,
an ult.
there's the bot.
Shit.
She's good. She's hitting me very hard.
Alright, so what's the solution?
I'm going to switch to a Junkrat.
Okay, let's go. I'm waiting for you.
We're retreating. Slightly.
Are we sure triple tank is the solution? I was guessing.
Oh,
Fuck
we need
it.
someone. We need.
yes,
What the fuck happened
there was
there?
an arrow that came through.
Okay, guys. Alright.
Okay. I need to
Group
be
up
hunting with
properly
Greg.
now.
We're not getting everybody behind us quickly enough.
Yeah, well,
Yes,
you
you
guys
are.
went ahead and you were 2 down.
Okay, I'm 63 to ult.
No.
So we gotta.
We're meant to be diving, aren't we? So,
We just need to.
Diving
We need to
with-
dive
Yeah,
the
but
Hanzo.
Hanzo top ground. Hanzo top. That's,
Okay, I'm going for the
that's-
Hanzo.
Careful, Eve, you're alone there.
Yeah, it's okay. Just
You want me to
chasing
boot them
off,
down?
Let you guys get there.
They're down.
Oh,
Where's that Hanzo?
freaking this
There's the
Hanzo.
Hanzo,
God
yeah.
damn it.
I'm going
The
for him,
Hanzo's the
going
big
for him.
problem statement, yeah.
Okay. Every time I try to engage the Hanzo, D.Va.
Well, the Diva's protecting him. That's the thing.
Alright.
Okay, disengage, try again.
Shit, should
need
have
a
ulted
shield.
from there.
Was it ours? No?
Okay,
No,
no
ulti.
ulti, no ulti, yeah. I'm gonna have an ulti at this next Greg. How far are you? 29.
I've got an ulti. No, I've got an ulti. I'm out of my
Hanzo's
mech.
back on the high ground.
Okay, go stand and shoot. Hanzo, you're out of position, out of position. Oh. Okay, pull back everybody. Just pull back, pull back, pull back. Wait for cheese.
Thank you.
Okay, Greg, I'm gonna ulti them. I'm
Go up,
gonna...
up, up, Greg.
The Diva's got an ult, so we need to be cognizant
Okay,
of that.
can
No,
you get
she's
them?
got
Yeah,
an
Greg,
ulti.
get them.
D.Va used ult.
Okay,
Okay,
alright.
let's go in, let's go in.
Another Bob. Oh dear. That Bob is behind us.
Ah, god damn it, Bob. I couldn't find the corpse properly.
What are we doing here? Are we pulling back again?
Both your healers are
I'm
still
running
coming
all the
back
way
to
back.
you.
Hanzo's
Nothing.
dead.
Okay,
Yeah, but
Ibs,
there's
but
nobody to follow up with that because we're severely staggered.
can you get out, Ibs? No.
Yeah, I'm going Ryan.
Okay, let's go, come.
Okay, Riptide's up.
Okay.
we move, please, guys? We need to move.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Okay, and now.
Riptide.
Okay, I'm really, really struggling. Yeah, shit.
Yeah, I got the Moira, that's all I could do.
Thieves.
This is done.
I'm dead.
I can't.
Hanzo's on the high ground here.
That Ashe is very good. We're really struggling with that.
Wow.
Like you have to hand it to that Ashe was not missing. That's
Yeah.
And they had our number.
that's tough. That's a tough one.
Jin and Ash and a Hanzo. They covered the space really well.
Our first attack was our best one. We just couldn't close it off.
And she had a bob, like, immediately. On the first attack, she had a bob. Like, wow.
What do we do?
Okay. You want to Torb, and then I can reset.
Use the corners, they sniper heavy. We'll fight on the point, basically.
And then
I'll
a
make
mercy
it
for that
self-defense.
res. Because they're going to have us 2 snipers. They're going to have 2 snipers, so shut them down with what? Chang. Yep.
It's not my preference to see them out as personal, but I will see them done.
Why is he shouting it though?
I don't. Yeah, no.
Like, don't
He
shout.
He drank too many energy drinks, and now his mom
Um,
is letting him stay up late.
I'm out of ideas, Precious. that's all I got.
Why is he shouting? Who's he shouting at?
They're gonna have serious angles, so we gotta fucking.
Stay sharp. Perhaps not too clumped. Because who knows what they come in with.
They're going top
They're
top
going
left.
left, Greg.
He's got a mercy with him, by the way.
Yeah. Okay, Ashe is dead.
My barrier.
Mercy's done.
Greg, oh shit.
Can't see you there. On the left.
That's fine.
But you got him.
That's the Reinhardt down.
There's a hunter behind.
Where?
He's peeking and shooting.
Okay, we need to heal Greg.
I need to heal.
Do we just leave that diva?
Chris, go to Chris, I've got Greg and Cheese. Or they could just run away from me, for fuck's sake.
I would think it would be the other way around because my meter's getting tapped out. I'm not actually engaging anything.
Sorry. I thought you were missing. Sorry, Chris. I'm a dumbass. Sorry.
That Ashe is very good with the
Okay, she's
dynamite.
down.
Ryan out of position.
Behind, behind. He's dead.
Dead. Moira on the left.
I'm done.
Uh,
Hanzo got me.
There's a baby diva just here.
Yeah, she's been in
Where's
baby
the
for a
Hanzo?
long time. We can kill her.
Why? Hey, where, come.
Okay, Riptide is ready.
What ultis would they be coming with? It feels like that's what they're trying to do.
Ryan will have an ulti. I think they'll all have an ulti basically. The Hanzo and the Ryan are the ones we really have to worry about, and Bob.
And Bob. And Bob.
Dynamite behind us.
It went off it was too far away. This Ryan's marching up for a hammer, hey? This is a hammer.
Potting.
Wow, very nice. Invincibility when I ran out of shit.
Nice.
Hanzo killed me. Hanzo killed me.
Ryan on
God
point.
damn it, the
Ryan on the
Reinhardt! The
He got raised.
fucking
How did he get up?
He got
He
raised.
got raised.
The Mercy Vault killed him. Well, raised him.
She ulted in thingy.
Okay, on my way back.
She died though.
That,
but
guys,
it's-
that was their big push.
Okay, we gotta hold, guys. We gotta hold. We're doing well. Come on.
They used everything. Did they hammer down?
I
Use the
don't remember
Hanzo.
Bob.
They hammered down. Yes,
Yeah,
they did
they
hammer
did.
I
down.
don't
You guys
remember
were on the
Bob.
floor.
They've switched to
Bob is the
Farah.
only one I
Not
don't
Bob.
remember.
Yeah, not Bob.
My turret's going.
Yeah, you need to put your turret in a smarter place now.
The Pharah Mercy on the left. Pharah Mercy on point.
Oh, for f-
I'm holding the front, yeah.
That's theirs.
Diva on point.
Oh shit! Ash is behind us, flanking. Shit, shit, shit. Bob is on the point. How did you-
Shit, between the Pharah Mercy and this.
Mercy's
Hiding
raising
from the
again.
Bob. Shit.
Farah wants me bad. I'm dead.
Farah's.
Oh, between the Pharah Mercy and the everything. Oy.
okay, I can stall on point, but oh, I can't even touch point.
Bad luck.
Shit.
Bad luck. We
Shit.
almost had that. The Farah switch is the one we couldn't account for.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah,
Pharah
they need,
Mercy.
that was a good
Shit.
switch. That was a good
Bad
Oh,
luck.
hello. What did I
Bad
do?
luck.
Oh, when the ulties came. Yeah, when the ulties came.